Justice retired BP Katakey ubadeu klik jangka komiti balatung di Meghalaya High Court bantokit ya ke Jingtih Dewīong Beaiñ ha ke jela ula pentip bala dan hadu shilak kendai pu hajar metrik ton Dewīong ubala klong Beaiñ ha ki South di district ke jela bat ubabon kata shilak prapo hajar metrik ton udai tang na East Jaintia Hills Katakey ula betha ting ya ke Borsenshar jangka East Jaintia Hills district ban IT ke Kaiphod hapo ka arpu lain terik ujemang arajar arpu sao but iki lain terik district katan West Khasi Hills South Garo Hills but South West Khasi Hills pat kin hap ban ai ke Kaiphod haswa ke khat sao terik ujemang arajar arpu sao daga bakado bakadon kam kirki ke district ke babot ha ke jing penmi Dewīong Beaiñ la kado ye ke South West Khasi Hills kabalong da arajar shispa metric ton bat ke komiti Katakey kan saai pat ke Kaiphod sha ke High Court haswa ke arpu hunyo terik ujemang arajar arpusan.
The 28th interim report I have submitted to the Honorable High Court based on which the last order was passed. And to know about what is the action taken on the basis of 28th interim report. 28th interim report has one very rather important aspects. One is relating to the aerial survey conducted by Garuda, where they have found a little over 1.90 lakh metric ton of additional coal other than the inventoried and already seized coal. And another report is relating to the report submitted by MBDA in respect of Southwest Khasi Hills district, and that was little over 2,000 something metric ton of coal they have found, illegally mined coal. And this entire coal, in my last report I have said that this has to be seized under the MMDR Act, and this required permission from the competent court is required to be obtained, and it should be put to sale. And so one good thing is that the government has immediately taken up the issue with their respective deputy commissioners. They have directed the deputy commissioners to take the required steps to verify at least, and the process of verification in the districts are going on. And other than the East Jaintia Hills district, which is the major coal producing district, rather more than 1.8 lakh metric ton out of 1.9 lakh metric ton it is in East Jaintia Hills district. Those other districts, they are supposed to submit a report by tomorrow, 14th of May. And East Jaintia, they have started the verification part. And in respect of 11 coordinates, as mentioned by Garuda in their report, they have already verified. They have seized little over 6,000 metric ton of such illegally mined coal now. So it's good thing is that we could find out at least additional quantity of illegally mined coal. Now, based on the Garuda report, the aerial survey to be which was directly conducted. And now I have asked them to complete this verification within a short possible time, and to take the assistance from the police department also, because the police department has their drone surveillance team. So they can concentrate on those coordinates and to tell me about the availability of coal. And if it does not match with the Garuda report, then what happened to the remaining coal? They have to explain to me. So that process is on. The government has taken up notification of the SOP 2024 relating to the coal brought from outside, and as suggested by the government, for inclusion of the officials of the taxation department as one of the member in the scrutiny committee. The notification is expecting at any time, which my committee has also accepted the recommendation. Those are the major things we are pursuing presently. Little over 1.9 lakh in 4 districts.
Which are the 4 districts?
That was found to be 1,80,299.48 metric ton. That means more than 1.8 lakh metric ton is in this East Jaintia itself. West Khasi Hills district 11,707.99. South Garo Hills district 35.01 additional. Southwest Khasi Hills district 797.65. But in respect of Southwest Khasi Hills district also, MBDA was directed to conduct the aerial survey, and MBDA has found additional quantity of 2,121.62 metric ton in that district, Southwest Khasi Hills district. So in Southwest Khasi Hills district, it would be little less than 3,000 metric ton. In East Jaintia, I said that East Jaintia definitely will take some time, and periodical submission of report to me. Because if I wait for entire exercise to be completed, it may be a little longer time. I will be out of touch of that subject. So therefore, they will submit my report. Next report I have requested them to submit to me by 23rd of this month. Because I am expected to submit another report before the High Court before 2nd of May, the date fix.
And other districts?
Other district by 14th, tomorrow. There are altogether 4. This okay. Exercise is in respect of 1,92,000 metric ton of coal. Yes, I have said so in my 28th report, because unless the illegal mining is going on, this quantity of coal could not have been found there. These are the 4 major coal producing districts, so that is why I was concentrating on that. My mandate, in fact, is to oversee that the High Court's, Supreme Court directions, NGT's directions, and the High Court direction issued from time to time are implemented. So, to achieve the objective of constitution of this committee, I have made this, selected these 4 major districts where most of the complaints come from. That was part of the exercise conducted based on the 28th interim report submitted by me. As I told you, that more than 1,80,000 metric ton was found to be available, illegally mined coal found to be available in the Garoda report. Is not it? Based on that, the government has immediately issued the direction to all these 4 concerned deputy commissioners to inquire and to take appropriate action under the MMDR Act. That's a good thing done by the government. I must appreciate that. And the Deputy Commissioner of East Jaintia Hills District also started that inquiry. And as I mentioned, that in 11 locations they have completed that exercise. And in that exercise, they have found more than 6,000 metric ton of coal.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat la ni ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.